everyone, welcome to the first episode of Audio Insights where we discover the amazing world of sound. For this episode, we are going to look into a shotgun microphone and a brand called Comica. And to guide us in this journey, we have a technical expert, Mr. Sunny Soni. So please grab on your headphones as we start this journey. Hi Sunny.
Hi Neha, how are you?
Good. So Sunny, let's start with the basics. So what is a shotgun microphone and how do they differ from other kinds of microphones?
So Neha, the name itself defines what is shotgun microphone. To elaborate it further, shotgun microphone resembles the gun barrel structure. It can be easily mounted on a top of a gimbal or a DSLR and mirrorless camera. These shotgun microphones are profoundly capable of capturing sound from a single source. It is used for blogging purpose, for the outdoor shoots, जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा background noise होता है, वहाँ पर भी ये माइक्रोफोन यहाँ capable है of capturing the crystal clear noise. It can also be used for instrumental recording and other outdoor shoot purposes as well, like filmmaking. Now, to understand how it is different from other types of microphones, पहले ये समझते कि other types of microphones क्या है. It is omnidirectional microphone, maybe bidirectional, maybe a normal condenser microphone. Now Neha, all these microphones are of capsule shaped. They are not capable of capturing a sound from a single direction source.
Okay.
जिस वजह से बहुत सारे background noise, ambient noise भी उसमें capture हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
Other than that, these types of microphones cannot be mounted easily on the gimbal or the camera because of its heavy weight and the structure. Other than that, this kind of shotgun microphones can easily be mounted on the top of a gimbal or a camera because of its light weight. So नेहा, इसमें इनबिल्ट विंडशील्ड भी आता है, इनबिल्ट विंड सॉक्स भी आता है, जो क्या करता है साउंड को फिल्टर करता है एंड जो लो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे वाइब्रेशन प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है या तो कोई एम्बिएंट नॉइज प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है उसको इजीली इरेडिकेट कर देता है.
Okay, so coming to Comica, can you give us a brief about this brand and how is it different from other brands in the same segment?
So with this Neha, let us first understand how Comica came into existence. So Comica, being a company, got incorporated in 2012. Comica has flourished itself in producing various audio equipment that includes sound mixers, sound cards, wireless microphones, wired microphones, and now the shotgun microphone. All these products are now exported to more than 100 countries now. It is not just India. It includes North America, South America, other regions of Asia and Europe as well. And the very interesting thing is that जो आपकी ट्रस्ट को इस प्रोडक्ट पे बढ़ा सकता है, all these products are CE certified and RoHS certified. Yeah, so there is an individual R&D team working towards it, also the quality control team. And one interesting thing is that the features that Comica is offering at the best prices, no other brand is offering those features within the price that Comica is offering. Likely Comica के product range करते हैं from 3,000 to 5,000. जो 4 models हमने introduce किया Comica के. ये same features के अगर आप different models लेने को जाओगे, it will be costing you likely around 25,000, 20,000 to 30,000. So all these factors makes Comica stand out from other brands in the market.
Okay, so I understand that Comica in India has introduced 4 new models.
Correct.
So can you help our users understand what features to look for when selecting a model?
So Neha, with 4 different models available under Comica, I would like to address all the models first. This is VM10-2, VM10 Pro, V30 Lite and V30 Pro. There are different factors that you should consider before going for any of these models. So the very first important factor is the budget. Now, as informed earlier, all these 4 models are ranging likely from 3,000 to 5,000. So Neha, budget isn't the constraint, I think so. All the products, all these 4 models are budget friendly. Likely बहुत लोग होंगे नेहा जिनको आउटडोर शूटिंग के लिए यूज करना है, किसी को completely इंडोर शूटिंग के लिए यूज करना है. Someone maybe want to record any instruments. So all this purpose rely on the frequency.
Okay.
So हमारे पास जो भी 4 मॉडल्स अवेलेबल है, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी likely 60 Hz to 20,000 Hz, 20 to 20,000 Hz इस तरीके से डिफर करती है. So for an example, अगर इंडोर शूट के लिए किसी को यूज करना है, एंड इफ दैट पर्सन इज अ बिगिनर, he can directly go for VM10-2, that's the basic model and very perfect for indoor shoot. अगर किसी को आउटडोर शूट करना है जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा विंडी नॉइज भी है, बैकग्राउंड नॉइज भी है, तो दैट पर्सन कैन गो फॉर VM30 Pro. अगर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को हमें रिकॉर्ड करना है, then VM30 Lite is the best choice. So the very next factor is reviews and recommendations. या तो आप कोई आर्टिकल्स या ब्लॉग्स को भी गो थ्रू कर सकते हो टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपके पर्पस को क्या फीचर्स वाला माइक्रोफोन completely fulfill कर सकता है, and those features now you can check under Comica specifically. So coming to the very important point, that's after sales service. So in most of the different brands ये होता है कि they don't find a service center, they don't find where to claim the warranty for the products. Under Comica Neha, we are offering 1 year of repair and replace pan India warranty services, and not only that, we also provide personalized guidance to the consumers calling us कि कौन सा मॉडल उनके पर्पस को बेस्ट सूट कर पाएगा. So other than that, packaging is also one of the important factors. What I understand from it is that कि जिस भी ब्रांड ने अपने पैकेजिंग में स्मार्टली स्पेंड किया है ना, डेफिनेटली प्रोडक्ट की बिल्ड क्वालिटी में, प्रोडक्ट के परफॉर्मेंस में बहुत अच्छे से स्पेंड किया होगा. So that is my understanding. We should also look after the packaging, and that's all the factors you should consider before selecting any model for your best suit.
Okay, so I have one question, and I think that all users or customers who are looking for a microphone might have that, and that is that when they record, there's a lot of disturbance, or you can say
The background
noise that happens because of the wind, especially when there's an outdoor shoot that happens.
Correct.
So can you tell me how does Comica address this issue?
मैं इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छे एग्जांपल के द्वारा देना चाहूंगा. तो एक नॉर्मल अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि आप कितने भी सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स एक वीडियो में इंक्लूड कर लो, आप कितने भी VFX वीडियो में इंक्लूड कर लो, until and unless it don't have a very good audio quality or a crystal clear audio quality, that complete video is a must. No one will be interested in watching that video. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ, बहुत ही अमेजिंग एग्जांपल है कि वो दारू ही क्या जिससे नशा ना हो. तो सेम गोज विद द माइक्रोफोन. बी इट एनी माइक्रोफोन, चाहे उसमें कितने भी एस्थेटिक लुक्स दे दिया हो, कितना भी एलिगेंट लुक दे दिया हो, बट इफ दैट माइक्रोफोन इज इनकेपेबल ऑफ कैप्चरिंग a crystal clear noise and a noise or a sound without any background noise, तो जब तक कि ये क्वालिटीज माइक्रोफोन में नहीं है ना, चाहे कितना भी लुक अच्छा बना दिया हो, माइक्रोफोन कुछ काम करना. With Comica has extensively spent on the R&D and the development stage of these products, because बहुत ही strategically इसके brands का placement हुआ गया है. So due to all these reasons, Comica microphones are very much capable of capturing a crystal clear sound. Addition to it, नेहा, इसमें Comica ने कुछ add-on features भी दिए हैं, जैसे कि low cut filter, dB sensitivity, which is an add-on to the windshields and windsocks.
Okay.
Ideally, normal microphones में क्या होता है ना कि आपको windshields मिल जाते हैं, but low cut filter ये सारे features नहीं मिलते हैं, and all these features helps in reducing the background noise.
Okay.
It isolates the sound source very drastically.
Okay, so before we wrap this interview up, do you have any advice for our listeners who want to enhance their audio setup with Comica?
First and foremost, जो सबसे important चीज है जिसे हम भूल जाते हैं, जो करते ही नहीं most of the customers, is that reading the manual. Because that is where we understand the SOPs and guidelines to operate the product, and that is where we get familiar with the usage of that product. Second thing is, as per me, positioning. Since Comica shotgun microphones are highly directional, you have to make sure कि आपने उसको properly place किया है, so that you are getting one directional sound and background noise को completely eradicate भी कर सकते हो इस तरीके. Comica microphones में हमें windshields and windsocks inbuilt मिलता है, but इसके साथ में हमें फिर भी windmuffs provide किया गया है, and we should use all those accessories जो हमें एक proper crystal clear noise produce करके दे सकता है. Using a shock mount. So all these 4 models comes with the shock mount. For an example, if you see over here, so this is the shock mount. Now what shock mount does is, अभी मेरी जो vocal जो produce हो रही है ना, even it has certain amount of vibration.
Yeah.
And those vibrations can be a hindrance in producing the crystal clear audio.
Okay.
Yeah. So shock mount can definitely do the work of isolating that vibrations as well. You can easily eradicate it. दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एसेसरी पार्ट। सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट एसेसरी आता है साउंड एब्जॉर्बिंग फोम,
Okay.
विच आर वेरी मच पोर्टेबल। आपको एक स्टूडियो सेटअप भी दे सकता है, सो दैट वीडियो में वो लुक्स भी एनहांस हो जाता है, प्लस ऑडियो को भी वो एनहांस करता है।
Okay.
It absorbs the background noise, it absorbs the vibration and echo को भी absorb करता है। The last but not the least, post processing। हर चीज में एक तड़का लगता ही है, जिसको हम कहते हैं फाइनल टच। तो अपने ऑडियोज को भी आप फाइनल टच दे सकते हो। फॉर दैट यू हैव टू यूज एनी थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन, लाइकली Audacity which is freely available, and वो आपके ऑडियो को फाइन ट्यून भी कर सकता है as per your requirement. So this was all the important points. By using those points with the Comica microphones, your audio setup and the audio quality can be super enhanced.
Thank you, Sunny, for that well and detailed advice. So, listeners, this concludes our first podcast of Audio Insights. Thank you, Sunny. Thank you for sharing with us your time. And listeners, please join us next time as we dwell into a new topic or a new aspect of our audio sound. Till then, tata, bye bye, and keep recording.